It's hard to decide which event is more telling, Donald Trump announcing that he's going to be indicted or Evan Corcoran being ordered to testify before Jack Smith's grand jury. One thing is clear, Trump is in hot water. The news and social media were blowing up about a looming indictment of Donald Trump in New York. Word of this so-called indictment came from Donald Trump himself, raising some questions about the issue. Is Trump merely trying to create some sort of attention to rile up his crazy supporters? It's possible. He's already calling for protests, and we all know well what happened the last time Donald Trump called for a protest. The Capitol was vandalized, hundreds of officers were injured, and several officers died. According to Sunday Today, District Attorney Alvin Bragg has indicated that he will not be intimidated by Donald Trump, and he has pledged his staff's safety should Trump be successful in riling up his goons. Several issues come into play here. First, the DA has not announced any charges. All of this is coming from Trump. Michael Cohen retweeted Trump's social media post with the caption, "The nonsensical rantings of a lunatic mind," quote from Young Frankenstein. #DiaperDonald clearly knows something not yet disclosed to the public. Well, it would certainly be no surprise that Trump is trying to get ahead of the narrative by releasing this information. Based on reports, it certainly sounds like the DA's office has been in touch, but we won't know for sure until charges are officially filed. In the meantime, Trump has more than this indictment to worry about. District Judge Beryl Howell ruled on Friday that Trump's lying attorney Evan Corcoran must appear for additional testimony before special counsel Jack Smith's grand jury. Smith successfully pierced the attorney-client privilege with a showing to Judge Howell that any advice Corcoran gave Trump regarding mishandling of classified documents was given on the basis criminal activity, which is required to pierce privilege. They were apparently successful, as Corcoran has been ordered to appear for questioning. As CBS News reported, it is likely that Trump's attorneys will appeal the ruling, though Raw Story reported that Judge Howell already turned over notes from Corcoran to the DOJ, which some attorneys call unusual. Two attorneys who spoke with the Daily Beast said that judges typically issue an order on disclosure, giving the other side an opportunity to appeal. Instead, it appears that Judge Howell may have seen something that disturbed her enough to move forward with turning over documents. Trump is worried about Tuesday, but it appears that he should be worried about several issues. Not only is DA Bragg likely to hand down an indictment, but Jack Smith is circling his proverbial wagons in Trump's mishandling of classified documents. On top of all that, Raw Story reported last week that yet another Trump attorney, Alina Habba, is using subpoenas to attempt to uncover other investigations. Trump may not have to worry about running for president in 2024, he's likely going to be focused on keeping his ass out jail in 2023.